Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. It's Lindsay here with another unboxing. I mentioned in Thursday's Tory Burch unboxing that I did order a Thrift World purse box, and that is what we're going to open this evening. It came in this huge box, and I believe there are only 5 purses that come in this. If there is an invoice, I will let you know. If not, I'll put the price on the screen. These boxes restock at 3 p.m. Eastern on Fridays, and I was really surprised how quickly this sold out. It was really gone instantly after I purchased this one. I've only ordered from this company once, and it was their DIY jewelry. I was not overly impressed with that. But I have seen Kristen D open a couple of these purse boxes and they were decent. And she does have a code for 15% off of Thrift World as well. So if you enter the code Kristen at checkout, you can get that discount. So that did bring down the price a little bit. And I think they charge $14.99 for shipping. But like I said, this is a huge box and it's pretty heavy. So let's go ahead and get this open. I will be offering items for sale during the video tonight. So if you see anything that you would like to purchase, just please send me an email and make sure you include your mailing address if you're a new customer. And I can get you out a PayPal invoice. And if you are new here, I don't think I said, I am a part-time reseller. My name's Lindsay. I do post videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern of mystery unboxings. So we normally do a lot of jewelry, but I have been incorporating more purses this year, like I did on Thursday. And then I will be back on this coming Thursday with some jewelry, and we're going to do a 15-piece mixed jewelry. So they did use a lot of the packing paper, which I will definitely reuse. And there is not an invoice in here, so I will have to look that up. But here is a first look, and I am seeing some Coach and a really cool kind of plaid print bag. So let me get a thumbnail and then we'll get started. So I definitely think there are some leather purses in here based on the weight. And it's supposed to be name brands, but I have seen a variety that others have gotten. Our first item though is a Kate Spade, and this is a really nice Saffiano leather tote. Very nice. There is a little scuff mark there, but that might wipe off. And really good corners. And it does have the 4 feet on the bottom and silver hardware. The hardware is in really nice condition. There is, it actually might be kind of champagne gold hardware. Yes, it looks silver in the lighting, but it is gold. There is some scratching along the Kate Spade logo. And then you do have some really sturdy top handles, and the edge coat looks really good on those. And it does come with the shoulder strap, so that's excellent. The shoulder strap hooks on the inside of the tote, so it's really easy to fold in without removing it if you just want to use the top handle. So you do have the center compartment where the strap folds in and the Kate Spade logo, and then her stamp back there. And then that is definitely long enough to wear a crossbody. There is an issue with the strap. So this is kind of pulling up on the strap. So it is kind of just hanging on by a thread right there. So that, I mean, is not great, but you might be able to repair it, or if not, you know, just use a completely different strap with it. So that's a bit of a bummer, but the inside looks really clean. You do have some slip pockets and a zip back there. And then there's a larger front zip compartment, and the zipper works well. And then you have another one on the back, and that is functioning well also. So overall, it's a great purse. I would just take that strap off and use a different strap, or just carry it top handle. But this is a great work tote. It's really, really sturdy with that Saffiano leather. So a very impressive start. You know, based on the cost, that's a really good item. And we do have another Kate Spade. I'm just going to put this on the floor because it's probably going to fall down. And this is adorable. It is a red plaid and it is a fabric material. It needs a little bit of a wipe down on the front. And you do have the little card there. And there's the back. And there is a little bit of a marking there. And this one does show some minor corner rubbing. But overall, not too bad. Just kind of more dirty there. And this one also has like a Saffiano leather on the accents. And this one is like a dome satchel. So the handles are very, very sturdy. And it just has the one-way zip. And this one comes with her strap as well. So that is great. And this one needs a little bit of a wipe down on the inside. But you have some slip pockets and the zip pocket. And overall, it's in good condition. There are the D-rings on the side that you can connect your strap. And this strap is just a smooth black leather. And this strap, I don't see any markings on. I don't know if her straps normally are. So it is possible that maybe this is a different strap than what was included. And the only reason I say that is because the accents on the leather are a Saffiano, and this is a really smooth black leather, but it still has the gold hardware. So, I mean, it still looks very good with it, but it could be a replacement strap. But definitely where you can wear it crossbody or on the crook of your arm. So that is an excellent piece. 2 Kate Spades. And they're both in excellent condition. So very happy with those. And next up, we do have a Steve Madden. So that is, you know, not the best brand in terms of resale, but it is a very cute style and looks to be in good condition. This is going to be faux leather. And it looks relatively new on the outside. I don't see any corner wear. And this one does have a chain detail strap. And Phoenix is starting to kind of get into some things, so we'll try to move along here. So the back has a pocket. And I was just saying about the strap, it does not remove or does not adjust, but it's definitely a crossbody purse. You do have the Steve Madden logo on the hardware and a 2-way zip. The zipper works great. And this one is very clean on the inside. So I do think that this is relatively new. Let's do $15 on this one if anybody likes that. And again, sorry for the paper rustling. I'm going to get that picked up. We do have a coach. And I have sold this style before. I'm not sure what it's called, but it is just a tan fabric. And there are some spots on it. So I will have to see if I can clean that up any. And if so, I will put that on the screen. But there are some markings on the back as well. But it looks like the corners are in pretty good shape. I don't see tearing. And the bottom's relatively clean. And then you do have kind of like a tan leather colored for the handles. And those look to be in pretty good shape. And then you have the pink stripe down the front. This one does have a buckle closure. And then inside there are a few spots, but overall it's relatively clean. This one is a factory purse. It is F28503. So I will definitely look that one up and see if I can get it cleaned up. But overall, it is in pretty good condition. So very, very exciting to get a coach. I'm really happy with all 4 of the items so far. And then our last purse is quite heavy, and it is a black tote. And this one is marked L and S. It is marked on the hardware here. I am not sure what that brand is. This almost looks like it could be a diaper bag. So I will see what it says inside. But it is like a nylon material. And there is a hidden zip compartment on the front there. And it does have like a bird pattern on the inside, a purple monogram. And there are some card slots in there and organizational pockets. And the reverse side has the same thing. There is a little bit of a hidden zip there. That one's a little bit smaller. And then there is a bottom zip as well. So lots of pockets in this one. And then you do have the feet on the bottom. And this one can be carried with the handles. Those look to be in good condition, or it does have a removable strap, and that one does adjust. It is a wider kind of cotton strap. And this one, the brand is Lowe & Sons. So I'm not familiar with that one, but it looks to be well made. And it's got a ton of pockets in here. So I don't think it's a diaper bag, just like a large travel bag. It does have the padding in there if you're gonna put a laptop. And a lot more slip pockets in there with also some padding. So this is really nice. I'm excited to look up a brand that I'm not familiar with. And I think that this was a great box. I'm really happy with the brands we received. This, I just noticed, has a spot here. I will try to wipe that. But I'm really excited with the brands we received. I got 2 Kate Spade and Coach. So we had the Lowe & Sons tote for number 1. Number 2, we had the Coach just canvas monogram. We had the Steve Madden crossbody. We had the really nice Kate Spade tote, and the main issue on that one is the strap, but luckily that removes. And our last piece was the Kate Spade little satchel with the plaid print. So I'm really happy about this box. I would definitely order another one, and I can see why they sold out so quickly. Definitely, you know, could be a little bit better even than the America's Thrift Supply based on the brands they included. So I definitely think I can make a profit on this one. Let me know what your thoughts were about it. I appreciate you watching tonight, and I'll be back on Thursday with some mixed jewelry from ThredUp. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you soon. Here's Phoenix. We'll see if he wants to say hi. He's very interested in this paper. So say hello. He hasn't been in one of my videos in a few weeks, but he's very overstimulated with all of the packaging in this box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you Thursday.